Hi, I started this design with the Global Fun Stroke Taupo, and I use a 3/4 flat brush. And then I did this beautiful flower in the center and two big leaves on the side. This is a great design for people that don't want to get their faces painted, and you have all this space to create beautiful and fun and elegant designs. And then to create something interesting, I just switched the brush to the lighter side and I start applying on the flower just to have the variation between dark and lighter colors. Same process here, just switch the brush and start using the lighter colors first instead of the darker. Yes, add glitter please. With the same brush and same colors, I just start adding more flowers on the design. Oops. Then add Superstar Plan. Add a little bit of black wolf. Start adding those beautiful little petals on the design.